Hello everybody. I haven't shared a video for a few days. I've been sick. I'm well now. I went and got tested for COVID. I've got a negative test, so I'm feeling pretty happy about that. Anyhow, we're a little bit worried. So I thought I would share the video I took of my nomadic chore day in Quartzsite. So I'll share some of the things I did. I got a shower, I did laundry, I had a little lunch, I got my water, I got trash dumped. I had done the propane the day after or the day before this, so I took care of those things. And I just wanted to kind of show you a typical day and show you where I go to shop, where I go to get showers, where I go to do laundry. So here we go. Everything loaded up in the truck to go do chores. Thought I'd share it a little bit. There's the trash. I haven't dumped that yet. This is what it looks like on chore day. I had to strip my sheets and pillowcases, load everything from outside into the truck. There's barely room to walk. Bring the water down. Everything has to be loaded in the sink. Things have to be moved around, they slide around. But that's kind of the way it is living in a rig. And you have to go to town. You have to take everything apart. Everything from outside has to come inside. Bungee up, otherwise when you drive, it'll be flying around. So here we go. I already went inside and got a shower. And I'm doing the laundry now. You can see how narrow my door is. I barely can get in and out. That's as far as it opens. So that's why I don't like the panel door. But I love my truck. And I'm grateful for having a home. This cargo carrier is going away. So this is a Main Street eatery and laundromat. You can get hot showers here, do all your laundry, and go in and have a bite to eat anytime you want to. It's $8 for showers, including a towel and shampoo and soap and wash rag. They're clean and sanitized. In the restaurant, they have a decent menu, good food, and good service, and it's clean. So they do have a kennel. If you bring your animals, they can go into the kennel. And they have a water dish and everything for that. And this is the laundromat. When you walk in the door, you can get your change. You can use the ATM. And you can get bleach and soap and softeners. And a cold drink while you're waiting. They have some extra large laundry machines. Tons of machines in here. I don't know if anybody showed you this, but I thought it would. So that's a shower area. They have about 11 showers and a nice bathroom. $8 for showers, including the towel and everything. So the washers are average from $2 to $4.50, I think. And the dryers are 25 cents for 8 minutes. So you can see how many dryers. I hate to go in the laundromat. They have 2 or 3 washers and 2 dryers, and there's no way there's enough. And they have nice folding areas in here too. So that's a laundromat. So as a nomad, you learn you have to fold clothes in such a way that it fits in the small space you have. So next stop is Family Dollar. So this is the Family Dollar in Quartzsite. Rows and rows and everything. If you want cards to send out, this is a good place to buy them. Everything's cheap here. Love the Family Dollar. Better than Dollar General. A little more organized. Clean. and they help us pretty good. Rows of socks and bras and underwear and baby supplies. This is our medication row. A lot of medication and hygiene. They call it health and beauty. They have clothing, hair stuff, blankets, shoes and hats. Of course, they have a lot of stuff that's not even on the shelves. They have tons of cleaning products. Even these shelves are low compared to what usually. So if you need sheets or pillows, curtains and curtain rods, everything here. Even have some rugs down here. And then, let's see, these are some rugs, little ground rugs, air filters, and little shelving units, ottoman stuff. So, Dad, look at this. They actually have toilet paper. Tons of toilet paper. Lots of toilet paper. And the prices are right compared to anywhere else. They have their household rows, more blankets and bedding sets, laundry detergent. I'm just trying to give you a quickie. Shows you some of this. They have really good prices on trash bags, light bulbs. They have oil and stuff for the car, window wiper fluid, bug spray. And who can't survive without duct tape? And I need some decent paintbrushes right here. Not good, but $4 for 6 or 5 paintbrushes. For cheap ones, it's not bad. Or even cheap, I can throw them away after I use them. And yes, they're all set up for Christmas too. A couple rows for Christmas. Name brand dog food, bags and bags. Good supply. Cat food and supplies. And yes, kitchen essentials. So I need a couple of these to put in the freezer to make ice for my refrigerator. I have to turn it off every night because I don't have enough power to run it all night. I think I can get 2 of these, at least just one probably, to put in the fridge. If you want appliances, of course, you can get them here, but they're usually not very good. Pots and pans and cooking utensils, knives and ladles and all that stuff. Very cool. And they have the food aisles. There's all kinds of food in here. A couple good rows of food. And they have a refrigerator and freezer section there. So this is the refrigerated section. They have ice cream and frozen foods down there, milk, eggs, all that stuff, and soft drinks. So I did all my shopping, everything. I got everything done. Now it's just a matter of putting it all back together. I found a nice little spot. So this is LTVA South. You can see I have a few trees around me. Really nice here. Nice spot. A little walking path down there. Nice little area. I have like a circular driveway. Let me see if I can show you that. Where I'm at, kind of a circular driveway with a little branch right with a little landscaped area through here. Very close to the pavilion. And the pit toilets are within about 500 feet. So it's pretty cool. There's quite a few people camped out here. I don't know any of them. Maybe I'll meet some. Okay, that's my day, and then I have to put everything away.